Dear friends, you're amazing. If you've made it this far, you made it 5 whole days. Virtual high five. Yeah. In today's smoothie, we are actually going to use a fresh mango. We're going to get away from the frozen, and we're going to learn how to cut a mango. If you look at a ripe mango, this one's slightly unripe. It can definitely be riper, but that's all I could get up here in Washington. So if you look at it, you'll see that it has cheeks. There are wider ends and there are narrow ends. You're going to find the 2 cheeks of the mango, and you're going to cut along the flat pit. So as you can see, the pit inside the mango is flat. It's not round, it's flat. So your job is to find where one of those flat sides is, and that's why this is called the cheek, because you literally kind of fillet it like a cheek. And then you can do that on the other side as well. Find the cheek, and you cut along the pit. And then just to maximize your mango purchase, you can kind of skirt around the pit. So this is what a mango pit looks like right there. And we have in effect just cut around it. So that you compost. This you use in smoothies. And one of the easiest ways to get that into the blender container is to very carefully put notches in it. You don't want to go too deep, otherwise you're going to have notches in your hand. And that's no bueno. And then once you have that, boom, there you go. And you can cut those straight into the blender. So you can take your knife and fillet the rest of the mango chunks straight in. I want to show you one other method. This is more the kid-friendly version. So you just take a teaspoon and you just scoop right into the mango, and you scoop around it. And it's like scooping ice cream, but instead you're scooping a mango. And voila, it's pretty clean. These I tend not to blend because they're perfect bite-sized pieces, and I enjoy those later on as like a little thank you treat for making smoothie and being good on this day. So we'll save those. We have our mango in the blender. We're gonna throw our greens. We didn't do our greens first today, but that's because I got wrapped up in the mango demonstration. So greens go next. Let's throw our cherries on top. Pitted cherries, of course. Half an avocado from earlier this week. And a pear with the seeds intact. Look at how beautiful that is. I mean, how gorgeous is this? This is proof that the Green Smoothie Challenge works. All of that goodness is going straight into your body, and it's just repairing anything that needs to be repaired. Anything that's out of whack will get fixed with this. 1 pint of water. And we blend. And this delicious puppy is the 5th day of the Green Smoothie Challenge. So this completes the first block of recipes. There's 6 in total because every 5 days I send you to the grocery store to get fresh ingredients. As you are well aware, fresh fruits and greens, they don't last very long. And to maintain their freshness, instead of going to the store twice in the entire month, I send you to the store every 5 days. So grab your list of the next block's ingredients, and I'll catch you on the other side.